Student, in this given question, find out the volume of the following at STP. The 14 gram of nitrogen, and second question 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. This is 10 to the power of 23, right? And of ammonia and 0.1 mole of SO2. So we need to, in this particular given question, we need to calculate the volume. We need to calculate the volume. So if you will observe here, they have given the weight 14 gram of nitrogen, and here given the number of molecules, and here they have given the 0.1 mole of S2. I mean, in the terms of mole they have given. So if you will observe the relations between weight and volume, and number of molecules and as well as volume, and 0.1 mole of moles and volume. Especially, first of all, I will talk with the first question. So before going to this start the first question, I will give the relations here, right? So one mole of any gas at STP occupy the volume. How much we know? 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters. In this question, 14 gram of nitrogen given. In this question, 14 gram of nitrogen given. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas, 1 mole of nitrogen gas contain the weight, it's in 28 grams, that is the N2 nitrogen gas, right? Nitrogen gas contain 28 grams, but here they have given 14 grams. That means the 14 grams of nitrogen means it is 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas contain the weight. This is the 14 grams. Why? Because 1 mole के लिए 28 ग्राम होगा तो automatically 0.5 mole. That means 1 mole of nitrogen gas contain the volume. 1 mole of nitrogen gas contain the volume at STP 22.4 liters, but 0.5 more of nitrogen. How many it is? 1 mole का 0.5 होगा, 1 mole के लिए 22.4 होगा, 0.5 mole के लिए कितना होगा? 11.2 liters. So 14 ग्राम के लिए कितना होगा? 11.2 होगा. Clear? Next, coming to this second question, is the first question, and coming to the second question here, if you will observe this one, 6.022 in the 10 to the power of 22 molecules of ammonia. So the question is the number of molecules formula. The number of molecules equals to mole into Avogadro number. Mole into Avogadro number. Number of molecules, how much given? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules given into mole. This Avogadro number will come to this one, beta of it. Here 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22. That is the number of molecules they have given. Then mole and divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number value कितना है? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.022 6.022 cancel, 10 to the power of 23, 10 to the power of 22 will cancel, ये 10 बचेगा. That means how many moles of ammonia you are having? 0.1 mole. 1 by 10 है, 1 by 10, 0.1 mole. That means zero point 0.1 mole of ammonia gas. Already we said 1 mole of any gas that occupy the volume is the 22.4 liter. Then 0.1 mole of ammonia gas. How much volume will occupy this one? You observe here 0.1 mole of gas. 1 mole के लिए 1 mole of ammonia gas 22.4 liter. Then 0.1 mole equals to, that is how much is it? 2.24 liters होगा. 2.4 liters ammonia होगा. This is the how much? Second one how much? 2.24 liters. Next one, third question. If you will observe here, 0.1 mole of SO2. 0.1 mole of SO2. Right? So 1 mole of SO2, 1 mole of SO2 contain 22.4 liters. Then 0.1 mole of SO2 contain how much? It will become is 0.1 into 22.4 liters. That will give that 2.24 liters. So the 1 mole of SO2 is containing 2.24 liters. Thank you.